Grabe, very touching yung speech niya. Talagang, tumagos sa akin. Talagang tumagos sa akin talaga. At talagang nakakaiyak yung speech niya. Pakinggan po natin to.
Let me ask you something. What if the person most deserving of his medal never got one? What if the real valedictorians are not the ones standing on the stage, but are quietly seated among you right now? If I could remove this medal from my neck and give it to someone else, I would. I would hand it to my classmate who worked online jobs and part-time shifts between classes. Some with cracked phones, borrowed laptops, selling food, art, anything just to make ends meet. To the ones who caught jeeps at dawn, who walk under the heat or in the rain, who paid their own tuition because no one else could. To those who showed up with tired eyes, but hearts that refused to quit. To the one who studied through tears, who cried in silence, but still made it to class with a smile. They never complained, and they never asked to be seen. But I saw them. Because maybe I earned the highest GPA, but they earned my deepest respect.
Ayun, sabi niya, kung meron man daw na deserving doon sa award na yon or sa medal na yon, ayun yung mga estudyante na nagtatrabaho habang nag-aaral, yung hindi nila pinapakita, hindi nila pinaparamdam pero nakikita niya. Ayun yung mga estudyante na nagtatrabaho para makapagbayad ng tuition, yung mga parents na walang pang support sa anak, tapos yung anak yung nagsasuffer, nagtatrabaho para mairaos yung pag-aaral nila. Yung mga estudyante na nakikisalamuha sa araw-araw, magko-commute, kailangan nilang gumising na maaga para makapagtrabaho at maipagpatuloy yung kanilang pag-aaral.
If I may be honest with all of you, I lived comfortably my whole life. I did not have to worry about tuition. I did not have to wake up at 4 a.m. to catch a jeep or walk to school before sunrise. I did not have to juggle work between classes just to pay enrollment. From preschool up to fourth year college, I was driven to school. My meals were served, my uniforms ironed. All I had to do was to show up. To the parents and families of the graduates, thank you for the countless sacrifices and unwavering love. To our janitors, guards, and maintenance staff, thank you for the cleaner rooms, safe gates, and silent service.
Pero ganun pa man, medyo nakaka-relate ako dito. Alam nyo po yung anak ko, third year college na po siya ngayon. First and second year niya sa college. So kami yung nagpo-provide mula tuition, pambayad sa upa ng dorm niya, allowance, food allowance, transpo allowance. Kami po yung sumasagot. Pero ngayon, super proud po kami sa anak namin kasi ngayong third year college na siya. Hiningi po namin yung portal niya, yung mga babayaran niya. Pero alam niyo, dinidecline niya kami. Sabi niya, total nagtatrabaho naman ako na muna magbabayad ng tuition ko. So alam, ang sarap na sa pakiramdam, napakaswerte namin na ganun siya sa amin, yung na-appreciate ko yon na yung gusto niya makatulong, sa amin sa gastusin, makabawas ng gastusin. Kaya napakapalad namin at napakaswerte. And I hope sa mga student na nagsasuffer sa kanilang pag-aaral ngayon, sana malampasan nyo at sana maging successful kayo. And kayong mga parents, sana maging proud po kayo sa inyong mga anak.